Today I'm going to fire up this shop heater. A fella can get pretty cold in his shop in the wintertime working on stuff. It's about 38 degrees inside my shop. Not too cold, but there's about 8.75 inches of snow on the ground and I can see my breath. This here unit's a Mr. Heater, 125,000 BTUs, and my shop's about 1,200 square feet, and we're going to see how that does today. This unit runs kerosene, diesel, heating fuel, jet fuel. So I went down to the gas station and bought a couple gallons of diesel. I also got the absolute longest extension cord I could find. So the instructions say to turn this temperature knob all the way up and then turn the button on. If you're using one of these in your shop, it's a pretty good idea to crack the door. It's heating up. It's been running for about 5 minutes now, and I can see that the temperature's already around 40 or 41 degrees. I ran this heater for about half an hour and got it up to about 55 degrees, but I turned it off because it's so loud. And then I fooled around making this video for so long that it got cold in here again. When I got this unit, these covers, this one and there's one on the back, were actually broken. So I called up the company and they sent me replacements for those. Pretty good customer service. I'd say this is a pretty good investment. I can get it warm enough in here that, you know, a guy doesn't freeze himself to death. And I put the link down in the description below so you can go check it out and get one for your shop too. If you've liked any of this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Geez, the snow keeps falling off the roof.